Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to define projection for raster data as well as vector data. In order to do this, we need to use two separate tools for vector and also for raster data. Okay, for the first time I'm gonna start with raster data. In order to know what is the current coordinate system of our data, we can come here from properties, from source we can understand its coordinate system, and also you can find a lot of information here regarding the data. And the coordinate system of my data is WGS 1984. In order to correct this one to my targeted coordinate system, I need to know what, for example, UTM zone my data is located. In order to understand that one, I'm gonna come here. My study area is here, and it's located in zone 38 UTM. In order to change it, I'm gonna come to search for project raster. Click on the tool, and in the panel you have to import your raster data that you want to have change in that. Okay, the current coordinate system is WGS 1984, as I said before. In order to change it, I have to come here, and we can see here different coordinate systems. Depends on your purpose, you can choose. For example, mine, I'm gonna use UTM. I'm gonna come here from projected coordinate system. From UTM, I'm gonna come to WGS 1984. My study area is located in northern hemisphere. I'm gonna come to zone 38, as I said before. Okay. There's another way, and it's easy from my point of view. If you want, for example, you can come here. From here, you can see there are three options: new, import, clear. This means that if you have data that its coordinate system is clear for you, you can use that one, and these tools automatically adjust that coordinate system to your current data that you want to change. If you want, you can use new, as I said before. If you want, you can use import, and as you can see, for example, you can go to your targeted data and you can change, depends on your, for example, this one is not in my coordinate system, but as you can see, the time I imported my data, its coordinate system is here. And if I want to use this one, I can use, but I prefer, because I know that my study area coordinate system, I'm gonna use the defined one that I defined before. Okay. It's gonna take a while in order to project. This tool is for raster data. For vector data, we have another options that I will show you. Okay. We have the result. Again, I'm gonna come to prepare this source. From the source, I'm gonna go to the coordinate system. As you can see, it's completely and successfully changed to my targeted coordinate system that I want. Okay, as I said before, for vector data, and also we have another options. If you want to change the coordinate system of vector data, it's enough to come here and look for define projection. Again, in input dataset, you can input your data. It's gonna be, again, it's in a right way, but if I want to change the same procedure for raster data, you can use that one. Since the study area is located in Zoom 38, I don't need to change it, but you can, depends on your purpose, you can change, or as I said before, import no data or current data. Yes, you know the coordinate system, and define your coordinate system based on that. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for you in changing or defining coordinate system for your raster and so vector data. Thank you very much for your attention.